this is Jeff Eastman, founder of NCPD, home of those amazing electric light dowsing rods. Today I have two more inventions that I'd like to share with you that'll help you during your paranormal investigations while you're doing your EVP sessions. But first, let's talk about the digital recorder. Do you think the spirits are shouting their answers into the correct end of the digital recorder? They've never seen one before, and you may or may not be getting good EVPs. That is why I have invented the MC microphone. The MC microphone stands for multicolored. It's approximately 4.5 inches long. It easily fits in your shirt pocket. There's a built-in 3/8 diameter electric condense microphone protected by a stainless steel wire mesh. There's a 3.5 millimeter standard jack connector, and the most important feature is it has 7 selectable colors at the tip. They are red, green, blue, yellow, aqua, pink, and white. And for a flare, there's color changing. Also, during your investigations, I have invented the MC EMF microphone. That stands for electromagnetic frequency microphone and speaker. It is also 4.5 inches long. When plugged into your microphone jack, it is an inductor microphone that picks up electromagnetic frequencies. And that can be anything from the power in the building to what is around your K2 meter when you're doing an experiment, to your ovilus. You can set it next to your ovilus and listen to see if you can hear any EMF as the ovilus picks words out of a dictionary. It also has a standard 3.5 millimeter jack and 7 colors. Again, just like the standard MC microphone. And color changing. Okay, so I have an experiment that I'd like to show you how we can use both these microphones during your paranormal investigation. Let's get into that. So the first demonstration is the MC microphone, just plugged into my digital recorder. I select a color. I like green. I step back and I tell the spirits, please shout your answers into the green spirit voice recorder. Let's shut the lights off to give you an idea what this looks like in the dark. Okay, lights are turned off, and you can have fun with the spirits. If they don't like green, maybe you think they like blue. Blue's my favorite. I can tell the spirits, now shout your answers into the blue spirit voice recorder. And ask them, do you like blue? Do you like green? I believe the spirits will see this microphone and easily identify it as what you want them to shout their answers into. And I believe you'll get more and better EVPs using my MC multicolored microphone. The second experiment that I'd like to do is combine the EMF microphone with the condenser microphone that I'm holding. The blue is the standard MC mic and the green is the EMF microphone. Together they're plugged into the connector and then into the digital recorder. The connector keeps the lines separate so that one channel will read the EMF, the electromagnetic frequency, and the other channel will read just the vibrations or the air pressure. So let's set these down on top of the K2. This is just a standard K2. Let's push record. And some of the things that you know of already know that give off EMF. Here's an EM pump. Let's just turn this on. So you see how the K2 is lighting up? We'll get that near our microphone and bring it away, bring it forward. We're going to be listening to these, by the way. So that's one form of EMF. Have you ever wondered what does the Ovilus 3 listen to? So this would be an interesting experiment. You put your microphone near the Ovilus, but don't get it too close, because when it speaks, the current used to make the words also gets picked up by the EMF speaker or microphone. So you want to listen to the EMF line very closely just before the word is announced on the Ovilus and see if there's any correlation. Okay? And then another source of EMF, of course, your cell phone. That is why during ghost investigations I tell people either shut off or put your cell phones in airplane mode. Okay. Well, let's end this recording and see what we've gotten. So I brought the file that we just recorded into Audacity. One channel is the EMF up top. The lower channel is the voice. Let's just play this.
So you see how the K2 is lighting up? We'll get that near our mic.
Okay, so the upper channel you can hear the EM pump. The lower channel you can hear the voice. But if you just want to hear one channel and not the other, it's very easy. You just come over here and select this tab. Go down to Split Stereo Track Mono. Now, when I play this,
so you see how the K2,
we can either play only this,
bring it away, bring it forward. We're going to be listening to these, by the way. So that's one form of EMF.
Okay, I can hear voice out of both the right and left ear, or if you click solo on the other side, you're going to hear EMF out of both ears. That way, if you just want to identify the EVPs in the voice spectrum, you can just investigate down here, and then if you hear what you suspect to be an EVP, then you can turn on the other channel all by itself and really zoom in on that location. Okay? So this same file that I just showed you in Audacity was brought into my Isotope RX5 audio editor program. The upper channel is the EMF line. The bottom channel is the voice or air pressure. Let's just play this.
This on. So you see how the K2 is lighting up? We'll get that near our microphone.
Again, this section right here is the EM pump. It's very loud. Let's just go to this location where I turned on the Ovilus.
What does the Ovilus 3 listen to?
Okay, what you need to understand though, this EMF microphone is very close to the Ovilus. It is actually picking up the EMF generated by the speaker inside the Ovilus. That is why it's picked up here. This corresponds directly to the voice down below. That's why you need to look just ahead of that in this region here, what the Ovilus was possibly seeing in EMF, to see if that corresponds to the word that it just talked about. Okay, and then down here is the cell phone.
The cell phone.
Okay, it's very difficult to hear, but let's amplify. We'll just do this channel. We're going to amplify the cell phone. And listen to that. That's what the cell phone sounds like, an EMF. Okay, so again, this is just an example on how we can see the EMF channel separated from the voice channel. So I believe that using the MC mic, the multicolored microphone, you should be getting more and better EVPs during a paranormal investigation. To learn if the spirits communicate through the EMF spectrum, combine the EMF microphone with the standard mic, plug that into the splitter that I'll provide you free with the purchase of both of these, and then do your EVP recording and look at the data and see, can the spirits communicate through the EMF spectrum? To learn more about the different inventions I have created, the electric light dowsing rods and the MC mic and the MC EMF mic speaker, please visit me at ncpdohio.com. And as always, have fun and be safe on your next paranormal investigation.